brightness on an aggravated battery.
Hi, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here to introduce our newest creation, the Wicked Stick. This is our LED light stick that we are going to start using primarily in most of our builds. We're going to stock it and offer it in 2-head, 4-head, 6-head, 8-head, and the big monster 10-head. So we should have stock on all sizes of the all-new Wicked Stick. Let me show you a little bit about this on the 2-head. What we've got here is an all-aluminum extrusion. We've got a nice fluted lens, spreads the light all over. We've got 2 color illumination on every segment. This is not an alternating 1 white, 1 amber, 1 white light. This is all amber, all white, all across the bar. We've got very easy wiring with power wire. Each color is independently operated, so you can select an all amber warning or an all white warning or an amber and white warning, depending on your switching and how you connect the wires. As I said, the amber lights are operated by 1 wire, the white lights are operated by another, and there is the ever popular flood mode, the steady white with the white wire here. Let me show you some of the flash patterns on this light. But before I do that, let me show you the mounting it comes with. Each light's going to come in a bag of hardware. In that bag of hardware are your 2 end cap mounts. These will go on the end of the light and give you feet if you want. Something like that, so you can mount it with the feet. You're also going to receive in there these T-nuts. And the way the T-nuts work is on the back of the light extrusion. You can see this channel. You can slide the T-nut into that channel and bolt the light to anything right here. So you take off this end cap and slide in the T-nut, and then you can anchor it to an L bracket or to a structure of the vehicle, whatever you need to anchor it to. So let's get on with it and see the flash patterns. The yellow wire is what powers the amber LED. The purple wire is what powers the white LED. The white wire is your steady burn, and the blue wire is pattern. Your big red and big black are your power and ground. I'm going to cycle through all of the patterns here and show you, and there will be 5 bonus patterns not shown in this video that we've added to the next run of lights. So these few lights here won't be sent out. You'll be getting the all new patterns as well, the bonus patterns. So let's cycle through the ambers here. That's pattern 3. That's pattern 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12, 13, and then off. Now we're back to the single. So let's go ahead and see. The white patterns should be all the same. And you can see when we connect our colored wires together, we have the option of picking another pattern with both colors active. We've got some slower patterns and some faster patterns. Hopefully we've got something to meet every need. And of course, the ever popular override for white flood. Works with or without warning activated. The white flood will always override the warning. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the colors showed up soon. Showed up well. You'll see this light stick featured in a few of our videos and even more coming up soon. And as I said, we have every size here. From our 2 head to our 4 head to our 6 head to our 8 head to our 10 head. Check the website for descriptions on the measurements on all these sizes. Make sure they fit your application. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings and checking out our all-new Wicked Stick. Available in amber and white only. This is an exclusive Wicked Warnings product, available only here and only in amber and white. More colors may be coming soon. Email in and let us know if you need a specific color combo in this stick configuration and the quantity in which you'll need them. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.